Hey friends, if you encounter the error video driver crashed and was reset on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what we need to understand for when we encounter this error, that usually it occurs when we are using a heavy game or something on our system. So in this case, we have this option that we can update graphics card drivers, but it may not impact much, but still search for device manager and open device manager. Okay, expand the list for graphics card drivers, right click and update drivers, right click and update the drivers. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, so these two solutions may be helpful, but mostly not. I'll tell you why. Because if there is a heavy game, okay, let's say if you have Fortnite or some heavy game, okay, and its system requirements are very, very high, okay, so your system might not be able to take that, and in that case, these problems are bound to occur. Okay, so what can we do about it? We cannot do anything about it. We will have to uninstall that game. This is the only solution. And if it is running at startup, then search for task manager and open the task manager. Go to the startup tab, select these by enabled, and then right click and disable the launcher of that game. For example, I have Valorant on my system. I disabled its launcher. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.